Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best eyeglass cleaner is probably one of the most essential items for anyone who wears prescription glasses or sunglasses, as it helps maintain clear vision and prolong the life of your lenses by removing smudges, dust, and fingerprints that can accumulate throughout the day, ensuring your eyewear remains pristine and functional for optimal viewing experiences in any situation. Number 5. 2 10-count pre-moistened lens wipes. Tired of smudges and streaks? Our pre-moistened wipes offer a quick and easy solution for a perfectly clear view every time. Designed to be tough on dirt but gentle on your lenses, these wipes ensure a scratch-free clean without any residue. Each wipe is individually wrapped, guaranteeing freshness and making them perfect for on-the-go use. Keep a pack in your bag or car. These are ideal for more than just eyeglasses. Use them on sunglasses, camera lenses, and various screens for a spotless finish. With 210 wipes in each pack, you get exceptional value and won't run out when you need them most. Enjoy long-lasting clarity. What we like? These wipes are individually wrapped for ultimate portability and hygiene. They are designed to be scratch-free and streak-free, ensuring a perfect clean every time. If you're always on the go and need a quick, reliable way to clean your glasses without leaving any residue, these are the perfect choice for you. What people say. This cleaner leaves my glasses streak-free and crystal clear. The spray bottle is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of cleaner. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints without leaving any residue. Number 4. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, your ultimate solution for a spotless clean. This premium cloth is designed to tackle dust, oil, and smudges on any surface. Experience a flawless finish without scratches, streaks, or lint. It's the perfect companion for your glasses, screens, and lenses, ensuring clarity with every wipe. From eyeglasses to delicate electronic screens, this cloth handles it all. Use it on your phone, tablet, camera lenses, and even car displays for a brilliant shine. Each cloth is sealed in its own poly bag, guaranteeing it's fresh and ready for use whenever you need it. This pack includes 6 cloths for long-lasting convenience. Crafted with delicate surfaces in mind, it's safe for LCDs, OLEDs, and all your cherished electronics. Achieve magical results on the things you care about most. Discover the difference quality makes. Our microfiber cloths provide exceptional cleaning performance, leaving your items looking their best. What we like? Crafted from the highest quality microfiber, these cloths effectively absorb dust, oil, and smudges without leaving scratches or lint. They are incredibly versatile and can be used on a wide range of delicate surfaces. If you value a reusable and eco-friendly cleaning solution that works on everything from eyeglasses to screens and lenses, this is the ideal option. What people say. This cleaner is highly effective at removing smudges and fingerprints, leaving lenses crystal clear. The spray bottle design allows for an even and controlled application, preventing overspray. It dries quickly without leaving any streaks or residue, which is great for on-the-go use. Number 3. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Introducing the Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Achieve a streak-free shine on your glasses with our gentle, alcohol-free formula. This set includes a powerful yet gentle cleaner and a premium microfiber cloth. It's perfect for eyeglasses, screens, and camera lenses. Our formula is alcohol-free, ensuring it's safe for all your delicate lens surfaces. Keep your vision sharp and your devices clear. The included microfiber cloth is designed to polish without scratching. It effectively removes smudges and fingerprints for a perfect finish. Experience the quality of a product made right here in the USA. Trust in our commitment to excellence for your cleaning needs. This 2-piece set provides everything you need for pristine lenses. Enjoy a clearer view of the world around you. What we like? This kit features an alcohol-free cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth, ensuring a safe and effective clean for your eyewear and screens. It's proudly made in the USA, guaranteeing quality and reliability. If you have sensitive lenses or prefer a gentle, yet powerful cleaning solution, this set is perfect for maintaining the clarity of your glasses and devices. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from my eyeglasses, leaving them crystal clear. The spray bottle design is convenient and dispenses a fine mist that covers the lenses evenly without dripping. I appreciate that the formula is streak-free and doesn't leave any residue behind, which is important for maintaining clear vision. Number 2. Magnasonic 20 ounces Ultrasonic Cleaner. For over 15 years, we've been the industry leader in deep cleaning solutions. Our product effectively removes dirt and grime from even the most hard-to-reach areas. Make your valuables shine like new. It's perfect for jewelry, glasses, watches, dental items, and so much more. Experience a deep clean like never before. It uses 42,000 Hz ultrasonic waves to create millions of microscopic bubbles for thorough cleaning. Simply add tap water and choose your cleaning intensity. Select from 5 modes, from a quick refresh to a deep clean, all with the digital display. The durable 20-ounce stainless steel tank is built to last. It offers protection against corrosion and scratches, ensuring safe handling of your items. What we like? Utilizing advanced ultrasonic technology with 5 distinct cleaning modes, this device offers a professional-grade clean for even the most intricate items. Its large stainless steel tank can accommodate a variety of valuables. If you're looking for a deep, thorough clean for your eyeglasses, jewelry, watches, or dentures, and want a solution that reaches every crevice, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from my eyeglasses, leaving them crystal clear. The spray bottle is designed for easy application, dispensing a fine mist that covers the lens evenly without dripping. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any streaks or residue, which is a huge plus for maintaining clear vision. Number 1. EVEO Glasses Cleaner Spray 2-Pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your glasses? Introducing a revolutionary cleaning solution designed for crystal clear vision. Experience the difference with our advanced no-streak technology. Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your lenses. It effectively removes fingerprints, dust, and grime without causing any damage. Keep your eyewear looking pristine with every use. This kit includes everything you need for a perfect clean. You get our powerful cleaning spray and a high-quality microfiber cloth. It's the ultimate solution for all your eyewear needs. Not just for eyeglasses. This versatile cleaner is also safe and effective for cleaning your phone screens, tablet displays, and other electronic devices. Enjoy a clear view on all your screens. Get more value with our convenient 2-pack. Keep one at home and one on the go, ensuring you always have a clean pair of glasses. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your eyewear wherever you are. What we like? This cleaning kit boasts a no-streaks technology for crystal clear results and comes in a convenient 2-pack, including both a spray and a microfiber cloth. It's designed to effectively clean eyeglasses and screens without leaving any residue. If you're seeking a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces and want a comprehensive cleaning solution for both your eyewear and electronic screens, this kit is an excellent value. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing smudges and fingerprints from my glasses. The spray bottle is easy to use and dispenses the right amount of cleaner. It dries quickly without leaving any streaks or residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.